Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. 好久不见哦。In HSK level 1, we have known the numbers from 1 to 99, right? Today, our main topic is still about numerals. Two main parts today. The first part is about more expressions of numbers. That is how to describe the large numbers or large amount in Chinese Mandarin. The second part is about some common ordinal numerals. Let's see them. First of all, let's see more numerals. Number 1 is 百 means 100. 千 means 1000. 万 means 10,000. The most simple structure to use these numerals is that the number end by or 千 or 万 to express the integer, 也就是整百、整千、整万、整数的表达方式。We have learned the numbers from 1 to 99, so it's the foundation to express the large amount. For example, 500 in Chinese is 500. So its pronunciation is 五 and 百 500. More examples. 5000 means 5,000. 5万 means 50,000. Something like this. So you got it? If it's not an integer, then we will use the numbers we have learned in HSK level 1. For example, this time let's say a more complex number, like 11,260. How to describe or pronounce these numbers in Chinese Mandarin? First, change it to the Chinese characters. That is 11,260. Follow the order from left to the right. So its pronunciation is 11,260. Besides, we need to know the zero in Mandarin. That is 0. For example, 1001 in Chinese is 1001. Yes, the zero in Mandarin is 0. More example, 20,150. How to pronounce it in Chinese? Here appears the number 2, right? 2 in Chinese characters is 2 or 2. Both of them can express the number 2. So you can speak 2,000 or 2,000 first. Then the zero appeared. That is 0. So 200. And then it's 150. That is 150. So the whole numbers is 200 150. 200 or 2,150. Both of them are okay. But if we want to express the amount of money, we use 两 more in Oral Chinese. 两 also means 2. Let's go on. Let's see more complex number. For example, 35,693. How to pronounce it? First of all, 35,000. We cannot say 35,000. That's not correct. We have 1, right? So it's 3,000 first. And then 5,000. 5,000. And then 600. 600. And then 93. It's 93, right? So the whole pronunciation is 35,693. Not very difficult. That is a way of expressing the large numbers in Chinese Mandarin. Please remember 万、千、百, the new numerals we have learned today. 万 means 10,000, 千 means 1,000, 百 means 100. The second part today is about some common ordinal numerals, right? So, we must remember a new Chinese characters. 地 is the auxiliary word for the ordinal numerals. The grammar structure to express the ordinal numbers is 地 and numbers. For example, 第一 means number one, or first of all. We have known 两 or 二. Both of them can express the two, right? But we cannot use 第两. We must use 第二, means number two or second. And third is 第三. Then 第四, 第五, 第六, one by one. Not difficult, right? So you got it? So today we have known how to describe the large numbers or large amount in Chinese Mandarin. Then we have known how to describe the ordinal numerals in Chinese Mandarin. Today our video is coming to an end. See you next time. Bye!